Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Please take your seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
So you are candidate A and you are candidate B. I am Usha Srivastava. Now candidate A, what is your name?
My name is Prachi Singh. My roll number is 10. I am a student of class 10th. My roll number is 10A.
Okay. Now candidate B, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Anshika Yadav. My roll number is 20. I am student of 10th A.
Okay. Now candidate A, I would like to ask you which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is maths.
Okay, very good. Why do you like maths?
Actually, there is no such reason for my liking towards math. I just like maths because there is no cramming. And I like to solve problems and I like to solve problems. There is reason.
Okay, thank you. Now candidate B, if you get a chance to migrate from your own hometown to some other place, then where would you like to go?
Ma'am, if I get a chance, I would like to go to a village or hill station because I love nature, greenery and its beauty. As these are the greatest features on the earth, as nature is the only thing which can keep me closer to the beautiful things.
Okay, thank you. Now both of you are going to present your topics. Okay, when you will present your topic, after when you will finish your topic, then you ask the questions, and after that I will also ask you questions to you. Now, would you present your topic?
Yes, ma'am. My topic is the impact of internet on new generation. Now I am starting my topic. In today's world where everything is just one click away, social networking become very need of the present world. Internet certainly and immensely impacted on the human life. If particularly we found on the internet that the most of the users are the youngsters now today's world. And we all know that the too much use of the internet made the human life as like dumb and made the human life as like dumb, but it has some positive effect also, that it increases the communication among the people who are far or near from us, and it increases the experience of the people by using the social networking sites. It also broadcasts the knowledge. So if we talk about the impact of the internet, we cannot say particularly that internet is bad or good for the human being, for the new generation also. It have both positive as well as negative effect. If it completely depend on the user, that how the users consume it. The internet have positive as well as negative effect. If the user use the positive effect, positive things that they use, the impact that show on his or her, that is good also. So, but one such problem is now today is related to the virtual establishment. Once some issues are created now today, the users now the today's youngsters are fear from face to face conversation. They like to conversation with screen. They like to interact the people by the help of screen. So one such reason is also a major problem now today. And if we talk about the cultural issues also related, that if we compare the previous generation from the present generation, we found that the previous generation are more happier or much happier and healthier than us. And because the present generation are very interact with internet and give more time to the internet and now become lazy today. So it has some positive and negative effect also, so we have to use. If I like to say the users, that today's youngsters, that they use the positivity of the internet, then they consume the positive effect. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Candidate B, you can ask questions.
What is the most beneficial use of internet?
The most beneficial use of the internet is the communication technology. Because of this communication technology, we can communicate the people who are far or near from us. So I think it is the best beneficial use of the internet.
Is internet gives good or bad impact for us?
Internet gives both good as well as bad impact on us.
Okay. Now can you tell me what is the impact of internet among the students?
The internet gives a very good impact among the students. Now we see, as we see in the corona period, that most of the schools were closed and students interact with with teachers by the help of online education, and it is run through the internet. So we can say that the internet gives a very good impact on the students.
Okay, thank you. Now, candidate B, would you like to present your topic?
Sure, ma'am. My topic is books and reading. Reading has at all times and in all ages been a great word of knowledge. Today, the ability to read is highly valued and very important for social and economic advancement. In today's world, with so much more to know and to learn, and also the need for a conscious effort to conquer the decisive forces, the importance of reading has also increased. In the olden days, when reading was not encouraged or cultivated, there was a substitute for it in the religious sermon and also in the oral tradition. In the 19th century, Victorian household used to get together for an hour or so in the evening or listen to the books being read aloud. But today we not only read, we also want to read more and more and to catch up with all the skill and events happened around us. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. You can question.
Did you judge the book by its cover?
No, I should not judge a book by its cover, as a book's cover will give usually us a hint of what the book is about.
Have you wondered really that the book changed your life?
Oftentimes, in the time of dark point or an ideal point, there are so many books which pointed me. There are so many books which have taught me a lesson.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me why is reading important for today's era?
Today, the ability to read is highly valued and very important for social and economic advancement. So, it is very important for today's era.
Okay. Now let us move on our next task. That this is your problem solving task. Okay, I am going to hand over this problem solving card to you. This contains the information about the problem. You have 2 minutes to discuss it together. So here is your problem. Here is your problem. You have to discuss and read it aloud.
You have seen a classmate
You
tear
can
pages
show.
from books in the library. Although you have spoken to him about this, she denies doing anything
You
wrong.
can put your
Discuss
mask on.
with your partner what you should both do. Reena tears books pages in the school. I saw her yesterday.
This is a very bad habit. She should advise to remove this habit.
I advised her, but she ignored me. And she acts as like that she doesn't do anything wrong.
Then this is a very serious concern. She should be consulted and guided properly. Proper guidance can remove her bad habits.
So for this purpose, first we consult from our class teacher and then arrange some counseling for her.
You are absolutely correct. She will automatically abstain from this habit if she realizes that tearing of pages is a bad habit.
Yes, you are right. Self-realization is the good medicine for the cure from this kind of problem.
Sure, we will meet our class teacher today.
Of course.
Okay, now candidate B. Do you think the solution that you provided is appropriate and enough?
Yes, it is appropriate because our class teacher and a school counselor can give her proper guidance and encourage her to involve in productive school activities and consequences of her bad habits.
Okay. Now, do you think her teacher can play some role in helping her out?
Yes, her teacher can play a very, very important role in regard and give her proper guidance.
Okay, thank you. Now, candidate A, do you think her school counselor has any role in this regard?
Yes, surely. She should be guided or consulted by the school counselor.
Okay, thank you, students. That was really wonderful. It was your end of the test. You may proceed now.
Thank you, ma'am.